Welcome back to Tech Hack. Today, we're stirring things up as we dive into the world of baking and cooking with the best mixing bowls of 2024. So whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, finding the right mixing bowl is essential. So let's get mixing and find the perfect bowls for your kitchen. Fyrnova. These stainless steel mixing bowls are thicker than ordinary bowl sets, making them more robust and resistant to cracking and deformation. This set includes sizes 5.5, 3.5, 2.5, 2.1, 1.5, and 1.1 quarts, giving you much more freedom and less mess. It will meet your needs for mixing big mixtures, tossing salads, cleaning vegetables, marinating, and storing. The airtight lids included with this mixing bowl set allow you to keep meals and leftovers without worrying about spills or leaks. And the 3.5 QT included a retractable cover inside the main lid that allowed you to add contents or couple it with your blender without having to remove the entire top to avoid splashing. This huge mixing bowl set comes with 3 different grater attachments for slicing, grating, and shredding. Just shred or slice directly into the bowl. Also, this bowl set has a mirror finish inside and a matte finish outside, which ensures dent and rust resistance. Food-grade stainless steel will not corrode or form stains after prolonged use. Nevertheless, please keep in mind that after each cleaning, the interior must be dried with a cloth to avoid the corrosion of any residual water on the bowl. These kitchen serving bowls nest together and provide space-saving storage in clean kitchen cupboards. Cleaning is easy with the mirrored inside. This mixing bowl set is also dishwasher safe. Simply place it in the dishwasher after use, and you will have a new bowl set. Rottay. This Rottay flexible combo set comprises 6 mixing bowl sizes: 7, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, and 1 quart. The lid of the 4 QT bowl includes a detachable center where you may put one of 3 free graters to shred things. This basics package could meet your kitchen's basic needs without requiring you to spend a lot of time and money buying each component separately. Mixing bowls are made of superior grade stainless steel and may last a lifetime. Plus, these mixing bowls set also has an appealing mirrored inside surface and a brushed finish exterior for an exquisite style that complements your kitchen gadgets. As well, these salad bowls or serving bowls may be nested together to provide space-efficient storage in clean kitchen cupboards. Meanwhile, its flat silicone grip section on the bottom prevents metal bowls from slipping while mixing, beating, and whipping. Also, protect the workstation from excessive temperatures. Umite. This bowl set comes with 3 different grater attachments: slicing, grating, and shredding, letting you simply shred or slice directly into the bowl without generating a mess and without the need to clean a cutting board. The 4QT included a retractable cover inside the main lid will allow you to add contents or couple it with your blender without having to remove the entire top to avoid splashing. The tendency of most metal mixing bowls is to slide on the counter as you keep objects in them, and these bowls feature a rubber bottom, which helps them adhere to the counter and makes it simpler to mix things in them. It will not scratch or mark your marble counters. There is no question that the silicone base is more wear-resistant, and you will not have to worry about wear on the bowl's bottom or scratching or leaving stains on your marble countertops. Also, the airtight lids included with this mixing bowl set make it simple to store ingredients and leftovers, allowing you to keep your meal fresh for longer without worrying about spills or leaks. Table concept. These mixing bowls, made of very durable brushed metal, are both attractive and utilitarian, acting as airtight food storage containers. These mixing bowls have a sleek and trendy design and are devoid of the toxins found in plastic and other materials, making them a healthy and wise choice for your kitchen. The 6-piece set contains 3 BPA-free plastic airtight lids and 3 mixing bowls to keep food fresh and organized in the kitchen, refrigerator, and freezer. These stackable bowls nest nicely within one another, providing space-saving storage when not in use. Plus, These mixing bowls are also simple to clean, freezer and dishwasher safe, making them a useful and adaptable addition to any kitchen. Overall, Table Concepts stainless steel mixing bowls with airtight lids are an excellent choice for your cooking, baking, and food storage requirements. Enther. Next, we have the Enther mixing bowls, set of 3 stainless steel mixing bowls, which will be your go-to kitchen partner for all of your culinary adventures. These bowls are composed of heavy-duty stainless steel, so they are extremely robust and will not rust. With sizes ranging from large to tiny, you can prepare everything from cake batter to salad without making a mess. Plus, they're designed to stay put on your countertop, so you don't have to worry about them slipping around while you're mixing. And when you're finished, they stack neatly within one another, saving you valuable cabinet space. Cleaning is also simple. Simply place them in the dishwasher or give them a quick rinse with soap and water. These mixing bowls are practical, reliable, and sure to become your kitchen favorite. Pyrex. Finally, the Pyrex sculpted tinted 3-piece glass mixing bowl set could be an excellent addition to any kitchen for preparing and baking. This set has 3 bowls, a 1.3 quart yellow bowl, a 2.3 quart green bowl, and a 4.5 quart blue bowl. These bowls are designed for compact storage and may easily nest within one other with lids on, conserving room in your kitchen cabinets. These bowls are made of sturdy Pyrex glass which resists stains and does not absorb food aromas or tastes, making them simple to clean and maintain. Plus, they are also top-rack dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe for extra convenience. Pyrex is the most popular glass storage brand, with generations of customers praising its quality and dependability. So whether you're cooking, serving, or storing, Pyrex has you covered. And with that, we come to an end. We hope you found a great pair that fit your demands and price range. All of these product links are included in the description below. Check it out to get the greatest deals on Amazon. Until then, bye. We'll see you in the next.